Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll share with you another airdrop opportunity called Alkimiya. Alkimiya is a decentralized platform that lets users create, trade, and manage synthetic block-based resources using smart contracts. As you can see, they've raised around 7.2 million in funding and are marked as a confirmed airdrop, which is great. If you look at their investors, as you can see, Coinbase Ventures, Dragonfly Capital, and some other well-known names are backing them. If you visit their X handle, as you can see, they have around 30k followers at the time of making this video. And here, as you can see, they share the airdrop rewards update in this post. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now let's move on to how you can join this airdrop. The process is very easy. First, you need to land on this page. I'll provide the link in the description. Here you need to agree to the terms first and click continue. Then choose your wallet. Here I'll select MetaMask, but you can choose others if you want. Now click connect and confirm. Now here click continue. Now solve the captcha and click sign up. So account registration is successful. Then here you need to connect your X account, so click connect. Then authorize app and it's done. Next, join their Discord server. Click connect and authorize. Here click join. Then accept invite. Then click complete. Then agree to the terms. Then click submit. Now here solve the captcha. And here verify, and it's done now. So next, as you can see, the Discord role task, but right now it's not open. When it's open, I'll share it in our Telegram channel. So finally, here you can share your referral link with friends to boost rewards. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.
Goodbye.